क्या आपको सैडनेस कभी फील हुआ है ऑल सडन एंड सब कुछ परफेक्ट चल रहा है एंड देन ऑल सडन यू स्टार्टेड फीलिंग सैड एंड यू नो दैट tightness around the chest and this weight all over you? If so, then please watch this video. This may be helpful for you. Hi, I am Nikki. So इस वीडियो में हम सैडनेस के बारे में बात करेंगे and we'll try to know how to find the reason behind our sadness, right? And first thing first, I wanted to clear, sadness is not a problem. It is not a malfunction of our brain. It is a way our body communicate to us, our brain speaks to us and it says that कुछ है हमारे लिए जो बहुत important है and something about that thing is not right currently. It can be a loss, it can be a disappointment, or it can be some kind of unmet needs. So it is very important first to know your pain. How do we identify the reason behind our pain? So we'll follow three questions, and if you are having any similar kind of feeling, then I'd request you to just go along this video and you also ask these three questions to yourself. So we'll ask the first question, that will be, we'll try to trace our pain, that कहाँ से ये शुरुआत हुई, like where did it begin. So for that we'll try that, does this pain started through a conversation, या कुछ याद आ गया, या it was building up for days. Okay, now second question, what does this pain remind me of. ये पेन से हम क्या फील कर रहे हैं, what we are feeling, like is it reminding us of an older pain, is it related to a kind of a fear, or is there a pattern. So it's very important to have a clarity about your sadness. Now the third thing that is very important, what do you actually need right now. Like if it's a loss, do you need to grieve. If it is a kind of exhaustion, do you need to take rest. If it is due to a loneliness, do you need to connect. So ask this question to yourself, and it may also help अगर आप एक दो लाइन की आप जर्नल लिखते हो, but you need to be brutally honest about yourself. So just write it down, that why you have been feeling sad, and all this measure can be helpful to let you know the reason behind your sadness. Now once you have identified the sadness, how do we deal with it. So for dealing with it, the first thing we should do, that we should allow the pain. You should allow the pain briefly, feel the pain completely. क्या होता है, कभी कभी we try to avoid it, but when we try to avoid it ना, ये एक साथ बहुत प्रेशर से आता है, and then we'll not be able to tolerate it. So allow the pain, feel it completely. Now second thing, talk to a friend. Just tell, even that this doesn't need to be a very deep conversation. Just you can say that you have been not feeling well, or you are feeling low, and that will help. Cause क्या होता है, if we keep something to ourselves ना, वो चीज़ बहुत बड़ी हो जाती है. Whenever there are people who will witness this ना, वही चीज़ छोटी हो जाती है. Just please, whenever you are feeling low, sad, do share with your close one, your trusted ones. Now the third thing, step outside. बाहर निकलो, go for a small walk. You can go to a garden, you can go for a walk on terrace. So do this small thing, because what it will do, it will reset your nervous system, and that will help you to come out of it. Now the fourth thing, which is very important, when we are trying to identify the reason of our sadness, the third question we ask to ourselves, that what we need right now. Now whatever you have identified, you need to do it. Like suppose if you identified that you are sad due to a loss, allow yourself to grieve. If you are sad due to exhaustion, give yourself permission to rest. And if you are sad due to loneliness, give yourself permission to connect with people. So just take action. And now fifth thing, if you think that this sadness is affecting your normal way of functioning, your appetite, your sleep, then you need to take medical help, right? So all by all this way you can deal with the sadness. You know what we do, I mean lot of us, I am sure we do, that whenever we feel pain, whenever we feel sad, we try that it go away by itself. So you know, we involve ourselves in either binge watching or we go for sleep, and it does work. But you know what will happen, that this type of sadness will then tend to come back, and in order to deal with it completely, you need to find the reason, and you also need to deal with it and act on it. So I hope this video will be helpful for you all.